sliced just perfect and seasoned just like at any gyro shop you go to that I got at a local grocery store. But look at that. I mean, it's just, oh. I mean, these things are great. You can find them. I got them at the local grocery store. They came in a 2-pound pack. I'll cut up like this. Let me tell you about this one. This one is a game day great number 2. It's delicious. It's easy. It takes less than 10 minutes to cook it, and you don't got to even leave your house. Just try this one and check out Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes for 9 more game day greats. I have 10 posted. They're all great. Go get them. Talk to you soon.